Good morning. I bet you're happy you're on a camera. I'm not right where I yawned because I know that morning breath's hitting. I woke up this morning and it's raining, and so that made me sleep in. I woke up at like 7 and I was like, ooh, the rain. And then I peed, and then I went and laid back down for a second, and now it's 8:52. So late start of the day, damn it. It's so nice to sleep when it's raining. It's still raining a little. So I'm gonna make some breakfast, oatmeal for the 7th day in a row. Then I'm gonna get on the road and go to the Irish wilderness, which is what I think his name was David and Gail. David and Gail is a couple I met down in the cave yesterday, the Devil's Well cave. And they told me about the Irish wilderness. They said it's really cool. It's off another river around here in the Ozarks. And so I think I'm gonna go check that out. Instead of going to Arkansas tonight, I'm just gonna go to that part of Mississippi, which is an hour up the road. This trip's been really good so far. I met really nice people. Those two dudes that I hung out with at their campsite 2 nights ago, Zach and Billy. And then David and Gail were really nice. And then Lauren, she was right there by David and Gail at the cave. She was really nice. Everyone was really cool people. It's cool, the people out here hiking and doing stuff are always a lot more nice than, like, I don't know, someone you look at the grocery store and they give you a bad look or something. Everyone smiles out on the trail. Everyone smiles out in the forest for the most part. How can you be mad in the forest? Like, you can't. I don't think. Unless you really hate the forest, then why are you in it? Alright, well, I'm just talking now. I'm gonna make some oatmeal and munch on it. Alright, I finished up breakfast, journaled. I didn't read a book this morning. Just, I kind of want to get a move on the day. I slept in pretty late, and I'll probably read over at the next campsite. But I'm out of here. This is my 2nd night at this spot. This campsite treated me well. I recommend this campsite to anyone who is in the Ozarks and in this area. I'll leave the name of it in the description. Yeah, so let's go. Let's hit up the Irish wilderness and see what that's all about. So I was leaving and I got about like maybe 4 miles from where I was camped at, and I saw this little road and I drove on it for about, I don't know, probably 5 or 6 miles down here, and I tried to keep going, but then there's this, I didn't want to put, the van wouldn't have made that, it wouldn't have happened, but it stopped right there, but it looks like it goes right up to the river. Oh wow, it does. And it is beautiful. Holy shit. No way. This is just too cool. Oh, someone has a boat out here. How cool is this? Dude, Missouri, you are beautiful. I never knew about you. What a cool place to be. Look at that. Look at that. I think I love Missouri. I think it is my newfound love for a place in America that I never knew that I could have or would have. I would definitely like retire and move here, or even live here for like a year. Get a job, work on 4 days a week, and then have 3 days off like I'm doing now, and just go explore all those 3 days. Fuck yeah, this place rocks. Shout out to Missouri. Alright, I'm gonna turn around now and get going back to the Irish wilderness. So instead of turning back to leave, I decided to go further down the trail. Well, I was coming down this road, and I come around the corner, and boom, there's freaking water running through the trail. So I don't think it's safe for me to cross in the van, because although it's very short amount of water, I just don't want something to happen. Like, if I was to just drive through that and my wheels sunk into the sand or whatever no more. But it is a very pretty stream right here. Look at that. But yeah, I'm gonna find a way to turn around. I'm on a very narrow part of the trail right now, and so I'm gonna have to figure that out. But I don't know, I'm gonna have to do it. Maybe I can come down here, pull in the van right there, back up, pull up, back up, pull up. Maybe that's my best bet, because everything up there is just narrow and there's no turnaround points for a good mile at least, and I don't know how well my backing up skills are to just drive for a mile backwards. It's not too narrow of a trail. If you look, I got a good amount of space, so if I come right there and do that, I think I'll be good. The problem is it's on a hill, so it might be a little bit of a toughie, but I think I'll be good. If I'm not, y'all will find out, I guess. Let's give it a go. All right, I did it. I got us out of there. There was some slipping and sliding involved, but we made it. We are out of here. Good job, Finn. All right, back on this long, about 9 miles of trail. It's beautiful, beautiful, beautiful road. So nothing to complain about here. I'm just gonna take this back road and then get back on my way to the Irish wilderness. All right, I'm at this place called Fourche Lake. I went to the Irish wilderness place, and it was nothing like it looked online or like the dude was describing. So I think that was just a parking lot area, because there's nowhere to like drive down and pull in the van or nothing. So I think that was a parking lot area, and it's like a hiking thing, which I couldn't do because tomorrow's my last day. I'm just gonna chill here, make some dinner later. I'm just gonna make this a chill, relaxing last day. I am kind of tired. I don't know why. I slept a lot last night, like really long. So I don't know why I'm tired. Maybe just because my hike yesterday, my body is freaking beat, man. I did not realize that hike was gonna put so much strain on my body, but I mean, when you're hiking around mountains and shit, it's up and down, up and down, up and down a lot, so it makes sense. Anyways, I'm gonna get set up here, may throw up a hammock and just chill out, read. I want to read some of the Bible today more. Also want to read another chapter out of Path to Heart, and then do a nighttime journal. I don't think I'm gonna go on any hikes or anything today. I'm gonna go sit out by that water, just chill out there. But that's about the most I got in me. Alright, so I'm actually leaving there. I was in a spot that wasn't a campsite. It had no firing, and all the other ones that had firings were taken. And I don't want to, it's a national park, I don't want to just be one of those people starting a fire and on the ground out there or whatever, and someone come. And also, it's just like the more people that start doing that kind of shit is what makes parks like this not free anymore. So yeah, I met a guy out there named Jim and another dude named David, and the dude named Jim told me of a place that's not far from here. Hopefully I'll be able to camp there, put some rocks together and camp. But if not, then I guess I'll keep chugging along. It's only 2:39 luckily, so still got 3 or 4 more hours of daylight left. I'm not in too big of a rush. This is my last night. I do kind of want to chill out and just relax for a couple hours, so that's what I was hoping to do just now there. But it doesn't always work out the way it's supposed to, so that just means it wasn't supposed to. I'm gonna pull back onto the street, and then I'll check back in with y'all whenever I get to that place. I was going
down the road, leaving that campsite, and I saw this lookout. And you can go up on this tower and look out at the scenery. So I rolled a J. But yeah, now it's sprinkling, so I'm trying to be quick so it doesn't start raining. Let's go see what it looks like up here. There's a vulture chilling up there. Look right above my joint. Where the black mass is, that's a bird. I think it's a vulture or a big eagle or something. What the heck? It's got a lock on it. Why? I'm gonna see if I can get in here anyway. Okay, well, it's got a freaking lock on it and I can't get in. There's no holes that someone previously cut or anything like that. So I can't get in there. I think it used to just be open. Look, there's a stone path right there to just go up. And it makes no sense for there to be a stone path right where a fence is. It's pretty safe. It's got railings all the way up, and then at the very top dang, that thing is tall. I wish I could go up there. I was so excited. At the very top is a box. I should get in. Well, that freaking bums me out though, because I wouldn't have rolled this J if I knew I couldn't get up there. Like, that was going to be a nice spot to smoke a joint and look out on the world. But whatever. I'm going to continue on my journey and see if I can find a place to camp. I'm not having luck yet, so wish me luck. I'm going to get back on the road. Leaving Missouri and entering Arkansas. So I decided to just skip over Arkansas altogether, and because I have to go through Memphis, Tennessee to go back home. So I'm gonna stop in Memphis for dinner to have some vegan restaurant. I forgot what it's called. I'll say it later when I go. Since I'm passing through there anyways, I never eat vegan restaurant food ever anymore, and it's been months. And Mia got to eat at some places in Colombia where she's visiting right now with her grandpa. She ate vegan things along the way, arepas and pizza and other stuff. So I'm a little jealous. So I'm gonna go have me a vegan meal. I don't know what I'm gonna get yet. All right, there's the Mississippi River, and this is Memphis, Tennessee. It's a huge city. I think this is when we're crossing into Tennessee lines from Arkansas. Welcome to Tennessee. Pro Shop pyramid. Wonder what that is. There's no way that's a Bass Pro Shop, is it? Maybe it is. Shit. Alright, what's up, guys? I made it to Memphis, to the vegan restaurant that I'm going to, and it is called Imagine Vegan Cafe or Imagine Vegan Kitchen or something like that. But yeah, I'm gonna go up in here, grab something to eat, and I'll try to film it if it's not too busy. Yeah, I'm excited. Pretty cool in here. I don't know what I'm gonna order. The spinach dip looked good on mine. Okay, that place was absolutely amazing. Like, the best vegan food, or food in general, that I've ever had. Like, hands down, the best coleslaw I've ever had in my life. Like, even non-vegan coleslaws. The drumstick, the chicken drumsticks, bro, it was so good. It was delicious. The shrimp made out of konjac root or something like that. Let me see. Konjac root. That's what the shrimp's made out of. And the texture is perfect. The taste was perfect. The sauce you could dip it with was perfect. The coleslaw to dip it in was perfect. The french fries were perfect. The macaroni was very good. Not perfect, but very good. And I love that place. I fucking love it. It's called Imagine Vegan Cafe or Kitchen, something like that. And I got some desserts to go. I'm taking these to Mia. And I'm gonna try some for sure. But this one I'm smacking down tonight. It's happening. I'm gonna go somewhere, park, get stoned, and then eat this. That's what's happening. Alright. Wow. Thank you, Imagine Kitchen. I'm actually gonna go sleep in the parking lot of that pyramid because I read online that it's free. So I'm gonna give it a go. There's a fucking cop there. But we're gonna see what's up. Alright, so I just talked to the security guy here at the Bass Pro Shop parking lot, the big pyramid building. He said it's cool, or he technically couldn't say that it was cool to sleep here. He said, park in the back. And I said, it's cool to sleep here? And he said, if you don't tell, I don't tell. So, he was chill. In the very back of the parking lot, underneath these bridges, that's why you hear the cars going over them. Very different than camping out in the middle of the forest. I'm literally in the middle of the city, but hey, it's fun. Different. Change of scenery. Alright, I am fully laid out, ready for bed at Bass Pro Shop, but like I said earlier, I'm coming here, getting stoned, and I'm eating this cheesecake. So I've gotten stoned, got the cheesecake, got the spoon, got my mouth, time to consume. Oh wow, that's good. That is good cheesecake. Holy shit. If y'all are ever in Memphis, go to Imagine, hold on, I'll tell you the real name, because I've been just saying Imagine Cafe, Imagine Kitchen. Let's see. Okay, it's Imagine Vegan Cafe. Look at that. Delicious mountain bite right here. That's it. Never eaten again. Time for the Babel. Oh, I'm so fucking full though. Man, I love this kind of living. I hear people yelling out there, it's crazy. But yeah, I'm fixing to, man, I don't even know if I can read the Bible anymore. I'm so damn tired. This is how Christians stop being Christians. Weed. That's why they call it the devil's lettuce. Alright guys, I'm out of here. Well, that was day 6 of my solo travels from back in October of 2023 when I went on a trip through 4 states. I appreciate y'all all for checking out the video and checking out the channel. If you haven't already, please subscribe, like, comment, and come back next week for day 7, the final day of that trip. And I'll see y'all then. I thank y'all all for watching, and I hope you have a beautiful rest of your day.